So, in our first step for installing OpenLane, we will be installing Docker. So, we will be running this command, and I have included this GitHub repository in the description of this video. So, we will run this command. First run sudo apt-get update. So, this is so after this command, we will run this sudo command. So after this, we will run this command as shown here. This command, copy it, then paste it here. So after that, so now to make sure that our Docker is successfully running or not, we will run sudo docker run hello world, and we should get such kind of output. Now we will install OpenLane. So we will clone this GitHub repository as shown here. We'll clone this GitHub repository. So let us see, we have required uh, packages for our OpenLane installation or not. So, so we will have to install Python. So let us now install Python by running this command. And we will also have to install the make. So now after this, we will navigate to the OpenLane directory and run the make command. So, oh no, so we have got an error here. So how we will solve this error? So let's see. We got this permission denied error because Docker could because we did not add the group. So first we will add the group. And then we will do this. To make sure that we have the latest version of all these packages, we will run this command, and this is what we will get here. So after this, we will restart our PC. So now after restarting, we will again navigate to the OpenLane directory and run the make command. So this will take some time. Now we have successfully run our make command. Now to make sure that our OpenLane is installed successfully, we will run make test. So our test is passed. That means our OpenLane is successfully running.